Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I can also talk about health and wellness. In today's video, I'm going to answer a question that many of you have asked me. Can your immune system fight HIV? HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus, and it's a virus that attacks your immune system, which is your body's defense against infections and diseases. But how does it do that, and can your immune system fight back? Let's find out. Your immune system is made up of different types of cells that work together to protect you from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. One of these cells is called a CD4 cell, or AT, helper cell. T4 cells help coordinate the immune response by signaling other cells to attack the invaders. They also help your body remember the invaders so that you can fight them faster and better the next time they show up. HIV is a retrovirus, which means it has a special enzyme called reverse transcriptase that allows it to copy its genetic material into the DNA of the host cell. When HIV infects a CD4 cell, it uses this enzyme to insert its DNA into the CD4 cell's DNA. This way, it can hide inside the CD4 cell and use its machinery to make more copies of itself. These copies then leave the CD4 cell and infect other CD4 cells, repeating the cycle. HIV infection has three main stages: acute infection, chronic infection, and AIDS. In the acute infection stage, which usually lasts for a few weeks after exposure to HIV, you may experience flu-like symptoms such as fever, headache, rash, sore throat, and swollen glands. This is because your immune system is trying to fight off the virus, but it's not very effective. During this stage, you have a high amount of HIV in your blood, which makes you very contagious. In the chronic infection stage, which can last for years or even decades without treatment, you may not have any symptoms at all. This is because HIV has reduced your C4 cell count to a level where your immune system can still function normally. However, HIV is still active in your body and slowly destroying your CD4 cells. During this stage, you have a low to moderate amount of HIV in your blood, which makes you less contagious but still able to transmit the virus. In the AIDS stage, which stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome, you have a very low CD4 cell count, below 200 cells per microliter of blood, and your immune system is severely damaged. This means you are vulnerable to opportunistic infections and cancers that your body would normally be able to fight off. These infections and cancers are called AIDS, defining illnesses, and they can be life-threatening. During this stage, you have a high amount of HIV in your blood again, which makes you very contagious. I can explain how antiretroviral therapy, ART, works and why it's important. The good news is that there is a treatment for HIV infection called antiretroviral therapy, ART. ART is a combination of drugs that target different stages of the HIV life cycle and prevent it from replicating and infecting more CD4 cells. ART can reduce the amount of HIV in your blood to undetectable levels, which means you cannot transmit the virus to others. ART can also increase your CD4 cell count and improve your immune system function. ART is not a cure for HIV infection, but it can help you live longer and healthier with HIV. However, ART only works if you take it every day as prescribed by your doctor. If you miss doses or stop taking ART, your HIV can become resistant to the drugs and start replicating again. This can cause your viral load to increase and your CD4 cell count to decrease. This can also limit your options for future treatment. So we can summarize this topic with a call to action. So, can your immune system fight HIV? The answer is yes and no. Your immune system can try to fight HIV, but it cannot eliminate it completely. That's why you need art to help control the virus and protect your immune system from damage. If you have HIV or think you may have been exposed to it, talk to your doctor about getting tested and starting art as soon as possible. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.